Hello students of class 10. In previous videos you have seen in quadratic equation chapter that I have told you what is the quadratic equation in one variable, what is the necessary or important condition that an equation will be a quadratic equation, and how to frame the quadratic equation. Clear? And now today I will be showing you from exercise 1.2 that how to solve the different quadratic equations by different methods. First, in exercise 1.2 I will teach you that either by middle term factors or by cross multiplication by middle term factors, how we can solve different equations. And in next chapter I will be solving, or I will be teaching you that Sridhar Acharya's formula. Clear? Now I am starting from exercise 1.2, solve sum number 6. Solve sum number 6. Though it is looking very simple form, but you have to learn. It may come in MCQ part or SAQ part. Okay. So it is given 10x minus 1 by x equals to 3. So what will you do? You know that we have to take the LCM, that 10x square minus 1 equals to 3. Then cross multiply. Then all the terms will take left hand side. Now see, we have to solve. Now you know 10 into 1. How you solve this equation? Now we will solve by middle term factor. 10 into 1, 10. So what are the factors of 10? From here we can get 3. 5 into 2, 10. So minus 5 plus 3. Then we can solve it. Now see, minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3. Now we will take 5x common. So it is becoming 2x minus 1. From these two, 1 only common. Now you know, when product of two factors 0, product of two factors 0. So from there we can write that either this 0 or that term 0. So either 2x minus 1 equals to 0, or this you have to write in this form, 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Now 2x minus 1, 0 means 2x equals to 1. So from there we are getting x equal to half, and from here we are getting 5x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 by 5. Now you write down the answer in this form. Clear? Together are the solution. In this form you have to write. You see? Then next one. Number 7 you can do yourself. Easy. Now number 8. X minus 2 by x plus 2 plus 6 into x minus 2 by x minus 6 equals to 1. It is given. Now first what will you do? We will multiply this term by 6 first. X minus 2 by x plus 2 plus 6x minus 12 by x minus 6 equals to 1. Then we will take the LCM. What is the LCM? X plus 2 into x minus 6. Now this will be x minus 2 into x minus 6, okay, and plus 6x minus 12 into x plus 2 equals to 1. It will be little bit bigger calculation. Now we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Clear? We will multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay, sorry. Now you have to multiply carefully. X square. Directly I am showing you, see. When you will open the bracket, from there you will get minus 2x minus 6x. Okay. So directly I am writing minus 8x. One more step you will show. 2 into 6 minus into minus plus 12 plus here 6x square. Similarly you see plus 6 2s are 12 plus 12, okay, I am writing this one, plus 12x, 6 2s are 12, then minus 6x square plus 12x written, then this one minus 12x minus 24 equals to, again this into 1. Directly after opening the bracket I am doing the cross multiplication. So from here what you will get, see, x square plus 2x minus 6x. So we can write here x square minus 4x minus 12. Clear? One more step you will do. Then x square plus 6x square means 7x square minus this and this, plus minus cancelled out, minus 8x plus 12 minus 24 minus 12. Now everything I am taking left hand side, plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. Now these and these will be cancelled out. 7x square minus x square means 6x square minus 8x minus 4x. Any related term? No. Now from here what you can take common? 2x. So from here we are getting 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So product of two factors 0 means either this 0 or that 0. So from here we can write either 2x equals to 0, that means x equal to 0, or 3x minus 2 equals to 0 means x equals to 2 by 3. See? So how will you write the answer? X equal to 0 and 2 by 3 are the solution. You will write down that are the solution. So in this way we have to solve. Now next type I am showing you in next video.